Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of our hearts, caring for mature skin using essential oils. Aging is a beautiful journey, but as we all know, those fine lines and changes in skin texture can sometimes feel like unwelcome guests. Don't worry, though, because we've got some natural solutions to support your skin as it matures. In today's episode, we'll be going over the best essential oils that can help nourish mature skin and soften the appearance of fine lines. First up, we'll talk about the timeless classic, frankincense, known for its cell-regenerating properties. Then, we'll move on to Rosehip, the vitamin C boost your skin has been waiting for. Following that, we'll discuss Lavender, a soothing multitasker that's much more than just a relaxing scent. We'll also cover Geranium, your skin's personal trainer, helping to tighten and tone while balancing oil production. And let's not forget Sandalwood, the moisture magnet that can keep your skin hydrated and smooth. After that, I'll share some essential tips for using these oils safely to ensure you get the best results without irritation or issues. And if you're looking to take things to the next level, I've got some exciting news about a course called Renew and Replenish that I've put together, specifically designed for using essential oils for mature skin. But we'll get into that later in the episode. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the wonderful world of essential oils for mature skin. All right, let's dive into our first essential oil spotlight. Frankincense, the timeless classic. This gem has been cherished for centuries and has long been associated with wellness. But beyond its historical and aromatic charm, frankincense is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. Let's talk about some of its incredible benefits. Frankincense is renowned for its ability to support cell regeneration. This makes it particularly effective in promoting a youthful glow and smoothing out those stubborn, fine lines. Whether it's reducing the appearance of sunspots or improving overall skin tone, frankincense is your go-to for an ageless complexion. And let's not forget its slightly woody, grounding scent, which can make every application feel like a mini spa experience. Now onto the practical side, how do you use this fantastic oil? It's quite simple. You can add 2 to 3 drops of frankincense to your favorite unscented moisturizer, or mix it with a carrier oil like jojoba. For an extra treat, use it during your nighttime routine for a relaxing and rejuvenating face massage. Just remember, consistency is key to seeing those beautiful results. Stay tuned as we delve into Rosehip oil next, which offers an amazing vitamin C boost for your skin. You won't want to miss it. Now that we've covered the wonderful benefits of frankincense, let's move on to rosehip oil, often dubbed the vitamin C boost your skin has been craving. If you haven't yet added this to your skincare routine, you're in for a treat. So what makes rosehip so special? While it's technically a carrier oil rather than an essential oil, it definitely deserves its spotlight. Rosehip oil is incredibly rich in vitamins A and C, 2 powerhouse ingredients when it comes to skincare for mature skin. Vitamin A helps to promote cell turnover, which is crucial in keeping your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. This can help reduce the appearance of those fine lines and even out skin texture. And then there's vitamin C, a game changer for brightening your complexion and encouraging collagen production. Collagen is that magic protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. As we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, but using rosehip oil can help counteract that. Plus, rosehip is deeply hydrating without feeling heavy, making it perfect for daily use. So how should you use rosehip oil? It's pretty versatile. You can apply a few drops directly to clean, freshly cleansed skin. Just pat it in gently and let your skin soak up all those nourishing benefits. Alternatively, if you're in need of some extra soothing vibes, blend it with a drop of lavender essential oil. This not only enhances the skin benefits, but also adds a calming, aromatic experience to your routine. Rosehip oil is a fantastic addition to any skincare regimen, particularly for those of us focusing on maintaining mature skin. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next up, we'll be talking about lavender, and the many ways it can benefit your skin beyond its relaxing scent. So stay with us, there's more to learn. Let's talk about lavender, the soothing multitasker that has likely already found a place in many of our homes because of its incredible relaxation benefits. But did you know that lavender can do wonders for your skin as well? Let's dive into all the skin-loving properties of this amazing essential oil. First, let's touch on its renowned relaxation capabilities. Lavender is often used in aromatherapy to promote a sense of calm and tranquility, helping you unwind after a long day. This same soothing nature extends to its skincare benefits. Lavender essential oil has antioxidant properties that protect your skin from environmental stressors, those pesky free radicals that can speed up the aging process. Incorporating lavender into your skincare routine can help in calming redness and irritation, making it a fantastic option for those with sensitive skin. Over time, its consistent use can aid in evening out skin texture and tone, promoting a more balanced complexion. So not only can lavender help you de-stress, but it can also give you that sought-after healthy glow. Now let's talk about how you can use lavender to give your skin some love. One of my favorite ways to apply this oil is by making a simple yet effective face mask. Just mix 1 drop of lavender essential oil with a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is wonderfully hydrating and complements lavender's calming effects perfectly. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Lavender truly is a multitasker, proving that its benefits go far beyond just a comforting scent. It's a beautiful addition to any skincare routine, especially when aiming for that tranquil, balanced glow. Up next, we're talking about Geranium essential oil, the skin balancer. Stay tuned for more tips and insights. All right, let's move on to our next essential oil, Geranium, the skin balancer. If your skin is in need of a little extra tightening, toning, and oil balancing, Geranium might be the answer you've been looking for. It's like having a personal trainer right there in your skincare routine. First, let's talk about Geranium's role in tightening and toning the skin. This essential oil is known for its astringent properties, which helps to firm up sagging skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It's fantastic for giving your complexion a more youthful, lifted look. Think of it as a little support system for your skin, helping it to stay strong and supple. But that's not all. One of Geranium's standout features is its ability to balance oil production. As we age, our skin's oil levels can become inconsistent, too much in some areas and not enough in others. Geranium essential oil helps to regulate this, ensuring that your skin stays perfectly hydrated without becoming overly greasy. This balance can lead to a clearer, more even complexion over time. So, how do you incorporate Geranium into your skincare routine? It's simple. Combine 1 drop with a teaspoon of carrier oil like argan and gently pat it around the eyes or across the forehead, places where fine lines tend to be more noticeable. This gentle patting motion helps to stimulate circulation and allows the oil to absorb better, giving your skin the full benefit of Geranium's therapeutic properties. And there you have it! Geranium is a fabulous addition to your anti-aging arsenal, helping to keep your skin both tight and balanced. Up next, we'll be delving into the luxurious benefits of Sandalwood essential oil, a true moisture magnet. Stay with us to find out how it can work wonders for your mature skin. All right, let's move on to our next essential oil, Sandalwood, the moisture magnet. This luxurious oil is truly a game changer for anyone with dry or mature skin. It's incredibly moisturizing, helping to keep your skin hydrated and plump, which is especially important as our skin naturally loses moisture with age. Let's talk about why hydration is so critical for mature skin. As we age, our skin's natural oil production decreases, leading to dryness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. A lack of hydration can make these signs of aging more pronounced. That's where Sandalwood comes in. Its moisturizing properties not only help to lock in hydration, but also create a smooth, polished look for your complexion. Now, how can you incorporate Sandalwood into your skincare routine? One of the simplest ways is to blend 1 drop with your daily face cream or serum. Applying this mixture in the evening allows your skin to soak up all the moisture and benefits while you sleep. It's like giving your skin an overnight treat. Sandalwood really stands out for its ability to maintain hydration and smooth out those fine lines, making it a fantastic addition to your nightly skincare regimen. So, if you're looking to give your skin an extra moisture boost, Sandalwood is the way to go. Stay tuned because up next, I'll share some essential tips for using these oils safely and effectively. You won't want to miss this part, as it's crucial for getting the best results without any irritation. All right, we've covered some amazing essential oils so far: frankincense, rosehip, lavender, geranium, and sandalwood. Each of these oils offers fantastic benefits for mature skin, but it's crucial to use them safely to get the best results without any irritation or issues. So, let's go over some essential tips for using essential oils safely. First up, the importance of dilution. Essential oils are incredibly potent, and applying them directly to your skin can cause irritation or even burns. That's why it's always a good idea to mix them with a carrier oil. Carrier oils like sweet almond, jojoba, or our beloved rosehip oil are fantastic options. Diluting essential oils not only makes them safe for your skin, but also helps spread them more evenly across larger areas. Next, performing a patch test. Before you start using a new essential oil, it's wise to test it on a small area of your skin to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Dab a small amount of the diluted oil on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to see if any redness or irritation occurs. Better safe than sorry, right? Finally, consistency is key. While essential oils can offer immediate benefits, the real magic happens with regular use. Make them a part of your daily or nightly skincare routine to see the most significant results. Remember, patience and consistency will yield the best outcome. There you have it, some vital tips for using essential oils safely. By diluting them correctly, performing a patch test, and being consistent, you can enjoy all the wonderful benefits these oils have to offer without any worries. If you're as excited about these oils as I am, and you're thinking of incorporating them more deeply into your routine, I've got some fantastic news for you. I've created a course called Renew and Replenish, using essential oils for mature skin. This course is designed to take your skincare journey to the next level, offering detailed guidance on how to use these oils effectively and safely. So, what can you expect from this course? For starters, it provides step-by-step routines that are specifically tailored for mature skin. I dive into the best practices for using essential oils, including precise blends that address common skin concerns like fine lines, dryness, and uneven texture. You won't have to guess how much or when to apply. We've got all of that covered. Additionally, the course includes a variety of custom blends that you can easily make at home. These blends are crafted to target specific issues, ensuring that you get the most out of every drop of essential oil. Imagine having a tailor-made routine that fits your skin's unique needs. Sounds dreamy, right? If you want more information on the Renew and Replenish course and how it can transform your skincare routine, you can find all the details in the show notes. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this comprehensive guide to mastering essential oils for mature skin. We've covered some incredible essential oils today: frankincense, rosehip, lavender, geranium, and sandalwood. Each of these oils brings something unique to the table, helping to nourish mature skin and soften the appearance of fine lines. Remember, incorporating these oils into your skincare routine can be a gentle, natural way to take care of your skin as it matures. Don't be afraid to experiment with different blends and find what works best for you. Your skin is unique, and sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error to discover the perfect combination of oils that make your skin glow. Consistency is key, so make these oils a regular part of your skincare regimen. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to pamper your skin? Have you tried any of the oils we discussed today? Send me a message and let me know how they worked for you, or if you have any tips of your own. If you enjoyed this podcast and want to dive deeper, don't forget to grab my free download, the 3-day DIY Skincare Reset for Mature Skin. It contains an easy, effective routine that you can start using right away. You can find the link in the show notes. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Carrie Scharf, and this is Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Be sure to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Carrie Scharf, and this is Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Be sure to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. See you next time.